everybody, this is Deb from DandDArtGallery. Hope you're all doing well today. I have a 12 by 16 canvas that I'm going to do a new technique called the infinity pour, and I'd like to give a shout out to Marcy of Mixed Media Girl. She said that her daughter Sierra came up with this technique. And Marcy has done a few. I've watched them, and she said if anyone else out there does them to let her know, and she'd like to watch it. So Marcy, I will get back to the one that you just posted and let you know the site that you could go to watch this one. So let's get started. I'm going to get my gloves on. With the infinity pour, on one side you have certain colors, and then on the other side you have opposite or different type colors. And what you're really doing is you're mixing them and then tilting the canvas to see what kind of result you get. I've mixed all of my paints today. They are on the thin side. Probably 1 part paint to 1.5 part Floetrol. No water, no silicone, so this is the consistency. It doesn't even leave a mound, just runs right back in there. So on one side, I'm going to put Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, Amsterdam Turquoise Green, and Amsterdam Greenish Blue. Then on the other side, I'm going to put Blick's Black, Liquitex Basics Alzarin Crimson Hue, and Blick's Deep Violet. And in the black, I did add a few shakes of Jewelescent Pewter Gray. See if we could get a little bit of sparkly in that black paint. So first of all, I'm just going to add a little white to my corners, I think, to help the paint flow over the corners. Okay, and I just have to get my cups now to mix my paint in. Start with the white. I'm letting it flow right in, mix right up, really good. Okay, now for the black. When Marcy did her last one, she used all metallics, and it turned out very pretty. So if you get a chance, go to Mixed Media Girl and check out her video. She's one of the artists that I've watched many of her videos and learned an awful lot from her. Okay, let's get to mixing. Okay, I'm going to torch this. And I'm actually going to take a tongue depressor and pull it through here a few times, just to mix that paint up a little bit more. Okay, I'll start tipping. Okay, I'm just going to take a look at it now. See how I like the composition of this and check my corners. Check the edges. I think I'm going to tip off a little bit more of the purple in the black at this end. Bring in a little more of that blue. Bring it back a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take another look at it. And I'm going to do another torch on this also. I think this turned out very, very pretty. The deep purple and crimson there together is beautiful, as the blues. So pretty, blue and that white. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit here a minute. Clean off the bottoms, bottom edges. Pretty happy with this painting. See some cells coming up here and there, some small cells. And I think I'll bring you down for a close-up. See what you think. We'll start with the upper left-hand corner. I just love all the areas. There's a lot of little cells that popped up right there. A few little black ones down there. Very pretty in here. The blue, the crimson, and that purple. It's just all very pretty. Look at how deep color that is there. That crimson, so pretty, and that purple. Some bigger cells there. And this is the lower right-hand corner here. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Share and ring the bell so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And again, this technique I did learn from Marcy at Mixed Media Girl, and her daughter had come up with this technique, and I love it. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.